Today is the day. I am so excited to show you what's in this box. Bam! Traditional Bushcraft by Craig Cottle. All right, so let's talk about the book. This is obviously a bushcraft book that is a how-to step-by-step guide with full color photography and 25 different projects. These are my take on them. There's some things that you've seen before with a little variance, and there's some things I guarantee you've never seen before that are done in this book to get you outside, getting your hands dirty, using knives, axes, and saws. So let's take a look inside and I'll show you what we've got. Chapter 1 is a whole section on stewardship, conservation, tool improvisation, how to choose tools, how to sharpen tools, all that kind of great stuff. I want to focus in on the stewardship and conservation aspect of it, how to source things in the environment and leave it better when we walk away from it, but still do all the bushcraft stuff that you want to do. I have an outdoor workshop. I show you how to build a vise out here, wood anvils, hammers, all sorts of tools that you're going to use to get started. I then go into wilderness living, which is benches and seats and all sorts of things that, like a cattail pad and things that you'll use out here to just live comfortably. Cookcraft is the biggest section of the book. There's TP stands in ways that you've never seen them before, hooks. I actually take a chicken and I cook it in the ground. Check it out. It's the wilderness oven. And then I have the hunting and fishing section. This hunting and fishing section has a track trap in it that you've probably never seen before. And it also has a split stick figure 4. If you don't know what that is, you need to start doing your figure 4s with this methodology. I'm going to pick out one of my favorite projects here. Let's take a look at the camp cup because I want to accent all this beautiful photography here. I think one of the things that sets this book apart than your typical bushcraft book is obviously the fantastic full color, vivid photography. This is the camp cup. And then take a look. I've got step-by-step instructions on how to do everything in here, and then great photography walking you through every one of those steps. The steps are numbered here in the text, and then there's corresponding numbers on each of the photos so that you know, hey, this is how you do it. And for example, this is the camp cup. By the time you get to it, you got a cup at the end. Fantastic photography, great step-by-steps. Throughout the book, there's pro tips, things that I've learned along the last few decades of me being in the outdoors and doing projects like this. There's all sorts of these pro tips and these sidebars. My publishers always integrated those into my work, and I love writing these things because they're so useful. Let me tell you about this photography because I think it's worthy of note. As I noted, the photography goes step by step on all the projects. It's packed with great photography that's going to help you. Here's what I and the publisher wanted. A lot of bushcraft books just have sketches, and I'm a big fan of sketching, but I wanted to prove to people as a writer, as a bushcrafter, as a director of our school, I did these projects and I do them on camera. Not only have I done that, we have a companion video course on our website that goes right with the book, and you can follow along on video of me doing all the projects, behind the scenes of what works, what didn't work, because I can't cover everything in a book. So get into the book. Once you do, you can get on my website, get into the course for free. Free? I said free. Did I say free? Free. I said free. But again, these color photographs are going to do. Check this out. I mean, look at that table we built. It's the one item in here that we used a chainsaw for. Everything else, we use no power tools, hand tools all the way through. Traditional Bushcraft by Craig Cottle. For the next month, depending upon when you're seeing this, we're doing a knife giveaway that supports people that support the book. I've got 5 knives that I utilized in the building of these projects that I'm giving away. They're fantastic blades, most of them from LT Wright Knives, a fantastic knife company. So check it out on our website. Get in on the running so you can get a book. After you get the book, you just put your name in this form and all that stuff, and you'll be in the running for some free knives. As always, get outside with the book. Traditional Bushcraft, get your hands dirty. Hey, in today's world, everybody's complaining about nobody wants to do that. Get out. This is a way to get everybody outside. I've got specific instructions on how to take these things and teach them to children in the book. So Get outside with yourself, with your kids, with your spouse, with your girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever it is. Let's have fun with it. Come on, join in. Let's learn together.